What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this episode we've got this Mercedes C43 in for our pre-sale prep package. If you're new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. Right then, so as I mentioned, this C43 is in for our pre-sale prep package. So this will include a decontamination outside the studio. Once we pull it in, we can then go ahead and do our single stage paint correction. This just removes as many imperfections as possible with a single stage. Once that's done, we can then give the interior a good clean, make sure that's looking as good as possible, and then we can hand it back over to the customer once that's all done. Right then, so first up, as always, whilst the car's outside the studio, we're going to give it a thorough clean just to make sure there's no contaminants on the vehicle before we bring it into the studio. Once that's done, we can then bring it in and get on with the machine polishing. Right, so now the car's all clean and been pulled back into the studio under the lights, I'll just show you a few of the imperfections that are on the car before we start the machine polish. So this customer mentioned to us that there was a few little chips in the A pillar, so whilst the car is with us, we got the paint colour matched, and now we're going to fill those in for him. So then, that's the single stage paint correction all done now. As you can see, the car's looking fantastic. As well as the paint correction, with our pre-sale prep package, the interior will get a full valet as well. This wasn't filmed on this occasion, however. Thanks for watching this week's video. If you are new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you are interested in any of our services, don't hesitate to get in touch. Make sure you click that bell icon to get notified when we upload, and we'll see you in next week's video.